My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Werz, W-E-R-Z. This is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So very soon after this ransomware is injected, users may suddenly realize that their data has been horribly damaged and that this ransomware has encrypted and damaged the files, so it is not possible to use these files anymore. This Werz extension is appended additionally to the file names. Very soon users realize that they just cannot open their files anymore because of this horrible ransomware and its impact on the system. The ransomware, by the way, may be traced through the task manager as some suspicious process that typically consumes a lot of system resources. Anyway, we recommend you to be extremely careful if this ransomware was some way or another enabled in your computer. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money, despite the information displayed in the ransomware note. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, then after it gets successfully installed, start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or all other threats. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. But decrypting the files is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but we believe that if you upgrade to Premium, it's much better to remove this ransomware, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.